are the copper clamps. These are the two pneumatic clamping cylinders. These are the clamping levers for right this side and for left this side. You can open like this with these two levers. This over here is the horizontal welding cylinder for welding the job. The gap between the two jaws can be increased or decreased with the help of this lever depending upon the diameter of the rod to be butt welded. That you can refer to the welding manual chart and accordingly keep the jaw distance with this lever. This over here is a microcontroller. On this you can adjust the welding timing as well as the welding current for different diameter of rods. This over here is a switch for either welding or for annealing. This over here is a welding switch. When you want to weld the rods, keep this switch towards the welding side and then press this button. You will see the welding taking place. And after the welding is over, you can keep this knob towards the annealing side and the same button can be used for annealing the rods. This over here is the on-off switch for the pump that circulates the water in the welding jaws so that the welding jaws are cooled while welding. This over here is the current cut-off switch. This thimble should be about 4 to 5 mm from this limit switch. Before welding, just adjust this lever so that this thimble and the limit switch head has about 4 mm gap for proper butt welding of the rods. On the left side, we have mounted FRL where you can connect the gear and adjust the pressure over here. This is a pressure gauge, this is air pressure, this is an air filter, this is an air lubricator. This one is for adjustment of the welding pressure. This one is here, solenoid valve. This machine is to be connected to two lines of three-phase 400 volts plus minus 10%, one neutral and one proper earthing at the back of the machine. Then connect air pressure, say about 5 kg per centimeter square. For butt welding, you adjust the air pressure say at about 60 psi and the welding pressure say about 30 psi. Now you can adjust the timer setting for butt welding 5-inch dia MS parts on this timer. This is the on-off switch for the timer. This is the program run feather push button for adjusting the parameters. By entering this knob here, you can adjust the squeeze time. Then you come to the weld position. Say weld time is in the welding jaws like this. Depress this lever. Again this side again you can clamp the rod and depress right side lever. This side also is clamped. See that the joint is in the center of the two welding jaws. Now you can keep this switch towards welding side. Press this push button. You will see the welding will take place. And the current will get cut off automatically. See, now the welding is over. You can declamp the job. Take this lever to its original position. Again, take this job to the center of the two jaws. Clamp the job once again with these levers. Then you can do the annealing. For annealing, you have to put this switch knob towards annealing side. Then press the same button. You will see the job will get annealed. The current gets cut off automatically. Now we'll show you the butt welding of 25 mm dia image rod butt welding. For this, you adjust the pressure to 75 psi. The welding pressure keep about 35 psi. Then clamp the rods in the back groove. Just lever. This side also you can clamp the rod. Just lever. After adjusting the parameters on the microcontroller as per the instruction manual, you can take this knob towards welding rod. See, this is how it's welded. You can grind the bar and pass through dies. After using sometimes this machine, carbon accumulates on these welding jaws as well as under the welding jaws. Therefore, you must clean the grooves with emery paper. Also clean the underside of this welding jaw with emery paper, and then again refit them. Align the grooves properly for the better welding and better current.